What's up, guys? So before this video starts, I do just want to give you a little bit of heads up. The audio on this is trash. So there's a couple of reasons for that. One being I was filming in a larger room that doesn't have a lot of things in there, so it's very echoey. And with the mic being so close to where I was filming, there's a lot of crackling from all the packaging, and it's just very distorted and ugly. And secondly, I was very sick during this, and I didn't actually realize how sick I was until going back through and editing it, which I'm doing right now. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of heads up. Spare with it, have fun with it, take some information. If you have any questions or didn't quite hear anything properly, just leave it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. So thank you so much for tuning in and enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Big Fish. Today we're doing an unboxing of my Garmin. This is the Echomaps 93 SV plus the transducer. This particular unit retails about $1,000. I picked it up on Cabela's spring sale for $599.97, so $600 plus tax. This is an amazing unit, and we're going to hop in and show you what the package includes for your installation. All right, so we're just going to jump right into this. I'm just going to talk about everything that's included in your package when you buy it, things that you may or may not need to install this to your kayak, and just kind of go over exactly what you're going to get when you purchase this. So let's hop right in. So first, after we open it, looks like right on the top here we have the Garmin sun shield or protector when you're not sorry, it's not a sun shield. It's just the protector for your screen when it's not in use. So it's really cool that this Garmin comes with it. Now, this is the 9-inch unit, and it's fully touchscreen. So as I show you here the unit, looks like it comes pretty packaged, pretty safe. Comes with the styrofoam on the sides here. So let's pop those off. And there's the actual unit itself. So you see the 9-inch screen, nice and large size there. Flip it over here. Looks like you have just one solid rail plug here that all your mounts will kind of plug into from the actual mount itself. And then inside here we have the Garmin sticker. That's pretty cool. Get a little sticker that comes with it. Put this on the yak somewhere, support Garmin. And then it looks like we have a little template. It looks like this is going to be specifically for like a in-mount boat installation. So if you're mounting it inside a boat, this gives you a little template so you could cut out something in your boat to kind of insert the actual unit into. So I don't think we'll be using this. All right, moving on. It looks like it comes with a little divider here that the whole unit itself sits on. So we'll just pop that off. Nothing inside there, under there. Set off to the side. Oh, what do we got here? This looks like the power supply. Oh, that's nice. It comes with an inline fuse on the power supply. A little piece of paper there. Kind of shows you what you're doing. So there's your power supply. This will plug into the back of, I'm assuming, the actual mount, which I believe is right here, but it has 4 different wires, and with the hot wire, it's pretty cool. It comes with an inline fuse already built in, so that's pretty simple. 4-prong here. All right, and then, yep, this looks like the actual harness itself. Comes in a bubble wrap, not taped or anything, but that's okay. So set that off to the side, and here is the actual holder. And as you can see here, there's a little rubber piece, and that's going to be where your Garmin actual unit snaps in here, and then all your plugs are going to be on the back. So that way you can take your actual finder off your the holster itself, and you don't have to worry about disconnecting everything as you go. You can just kind of pop the unit off and take it inside or wherever you're not using it. And then it's cool that it has a little weather plug that goes on to protect that when the unit's off. So on the back here, you have your Panoptix plug, which we didn't go with the Panoptix. I don't think it's necessary for what I do, but it'd be kind of cool, but they're pretty pricey. So there's Panoptix plug, then there's your sonar plug or your transducer, and then your power cables here. And I'm not sure exactly what this plug is here. So comes with an extra plug for something. Let's see maybe if it's included or not. And then, yep, so here's the way you're going to mount it to whatever mounting surface you decide to go with, either being a RAM mount or some kind of Yak Attack mount. And then you have your tensioning knobs here to obviously swivel your unit. So that's pretty nice. And, oh, great. So it looks like we have, last but not least, looks like everything for transducers, some wires. We'll kind of go through this here in a second. And then looks like just some instruction manuals and some, support Garmin help stuff. So we're not going to look into this. You can find this online if that's something you are looking to get out of this review. So. All right, we'll set the box off to the side. And we'll see what's inside this giant bag here. All right, so inside the bag, looks like right off the bat we have some sort of mount for the transducer. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that these two right here are trolling motor mount accessories. If you wanted to mount this to a trolling motor, you have the accessories right here to do so. I will not be using these, so I'm not putting it on a trolling motor, so I'm gonna set these off to the side. Yeah, here's the actual transducer itself. And just like with any fish finder, you just have 4 miles of cable that you have to work with, which is fine if you're getting this from a boat and running the transducer off the back of an 18-foot boat. But for our 12-foot kayaks, it's a little much, but we can use some cable management skills for that. So let's pop this bad boy open. And there is our transducer. So that's a pretty large transducer. This is a side imaging unit, so I would expect it to be about this size. It looks like it comes with one little clip there to install it different ways. And like I said, there's probably some more accessories in here to maybe mount it in different ways. But yeah, just your standard cable, and then you have your, that's a bunch of little prongs there. I'm not sure how many that is exactly, but that's the transducer. I'll get a measurement on for you here in a second. Put it on the screen right down there. All right, next, I'll set this off to the side. So inside we have this little coupling. Not exactly sure what this is for. We'll find out in a second, hopefully. Looks like just some instructions on how to mount your transducer to a trolling motor and whatnot. We'll hang on to that just in case. Looks like just some hardware here. Here's a little template. Again, so that you can mount it, looks like, to the back of a boat for your transducer. So you can just kind of lay this up, cut it out, and then you got your pre-drill holes right there, so it can be exact. So that's pretty nice, but once again, I'm not mounting it to the back, so I won't be using this. And then here is that back hull mount, if you will. So if this is the back of your boat, you would mount it here, and then your transducer would just sit right inside it here, like so, if that makes sense. So I'm not going to be using this method, so I probably won't be using this, but I'm going to hang on to it for future uses. And then we have our, this looks like some sort of wire clip that goes on. Not exactly sure what these are, but I've seen them on a lot of, I know this goes on the power wire. I just don't know why. So if you do know why, go ahead and leave a comment in the description below. I will be putting this on, but I just don't know why I'm putting it on. It has to do something with magnetics, right? I'm not sure. If you know, leave it down in the bottom, please. All right, what else we got? Oh, okay, so here is the little paper for this piece here that we didn't know. So it looks like you cut it and this goes on the transducer itself. So you can screw it on and it comes with a little, I don't know if you can see that, little red grommet there, I'm assuming for some water protection, but that came with it. So I'll hang on to this with this and put that on my transducer wire. And we got more goodies. There's an empty bag. It's kind of weird. Something must have fell out of it. Probably screws or something. And this looks like a little water, take it out of the bag so you can see it. It just looks like a wiring water connection. So you would put this inside your hull or whatever, drill your hole out, and then the wires would just seat right inside there. It helps run some wires. With having two wires, it's kind of funny that it only came with one, but this might be for specific installations of some sort, but I'll probably be using that. And then it just comes with some screws and then some wire keeps so you can run your wires nice. So I'll probably hang on to those as well. Put those back in the bag. All right, guys, we'll just got an overview. This is pretty much everything that came in the package that we will be using. We just have our actual mount or our snap holder for the actual unit itself. We have our power wire, transducer, just some hardware to kind of wire up everything, get everything where we need to go, and then a nice cool little face shield cover, sun shield cover when we're not using the unit to kind of protect it. And then, of course, this cool little sticker that we'll put on. So I hope this video helped with any questions that you had when actually purchasing this unit. I have not had the pleasure of using this unit yet, but I will be getting it installed. I will probably not do a full install video because I don't know how to do this right. So I won't even pretend that I know how, but I'm going to hook it up the way I see fit, and then I might shoot a video kind of explaining what I did and then show you if it worked for me or not, just to give you guys some ideas. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm super excited about using this new unit. So if you have the extra cash and really want to get yourself a nice size unit for side scan, then I would head down to Cabela's and see if they're still running that sale for $599 by the time you're watching this video. And if not, I think this unit would actually be worth $1,000 if it's in your budget. So one thing I was told when purchasing something with side imaging is to make sure that you get something at least 7 inches or above to get your full visual effects out of your side imaging. So that's why I went with the 9. Kind of an overkill, but I'm a big guy. I like big things. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And you guys have a good one. And remember, I'm proud of you.